Good morning, students. It's me, Dakshina, and I'm here again to illustrate our next topic respect. Samman. Respect, Samman. Respect means individually. The sense of individuality is prime project. This is the first basic step towards respect, or you can say Samman. Once we realized that we are individual, then only we can see ourselves different from others. In words, respect means right evaluation to be evaluated as I am. Thus, respect means to rightly evaluate. Can you think of the number of instances when you feel you have wrongly evaluated? And the number of times you may have done the same to others. You would be surprised to find this happen very often, and we are insensitive about this aspect in relationship, even though it is the cause of many problems for us in relationship. We ignore the point about respect. Respect denotes both a positive feelings of esteem for a person or other entity, such as nation or a religion, and also specific actions and conduct representative of that esteem. Respect can be a specific feeling of regard for the actual qualities of one respect. For example, I have great respect for her judgment. On a practical level, it seems to include taking someone's feelings, needs, thoughts, ideas, wishes, and preferences into consideration. We might also say it means taking all of these seriously and giving them worth and value. Showing and earning respect. Respecting someone means respecting their feelings and their survival needs. Here are ways to show respect for someone's feeling. First, asking them how they feel. Second, validating their feelings. Third, empathy with them, seeking understanding of their feelings. Fifth, taking their feelings into consideration. For this process to work efficiently, several things are required. For example, each person must be aware of their own feelings. For example, know how they feel. Second, they must be able to express their feelings. Third, they must know how to listen non judgmentally or non defensively. They must know how to validate feelings. Fifth, they must believe that feelings have value. Basis for respect. Proposals. When it comes to respect a human being, will you respect a human being on the basis of I or body? If you respect a human being on the basis of I, following things are the true for every human being. First, I want happiness and prosperity. The other two wants to be continuously happy and prosperous. Second, to be happy, I need to understand and live in harmony at all four levels of his or her living. Third, the activities in me, it means I, are continuous. We can check this for our desires, thoughts, and expectations. Assumed basis for respect today. Today, we are differentiating in the name of respect. We either differentiate people on the basis of their body, on the basis of their wealth and possessions, or on the basis of their beliefs. Differentiation on the basis. We can differentiate on the basis of three parts: body, and body also divided in four sections: sex, race, age, physical strength. The second topic, physical facilities. we also divide into two sections, that is wealth and post, and the third is beliefs. Now, with this topic, I have concluded the whole topic here. Please to follow up the topic.